flash on, but you don't mind, do you? Little two tweets. Hello. Yeah, polish them all off quick, can you? So look at you. Come here. Hello. Look at this ring. You're lovely and warm, aren't you? Little tweet tweet. Come here, little tweet tweet. They're beautiful. Oh. What are you doing? Cock-a-doodle-doo.
They've grown. He hasn't got much of a tail at the moment, or she.
Yeah, I think that's a he.
This one.
No, this one.
Alright.
This is a she.
They're feathers. They're wings.
I know. Look at that. They're going to fly away any moment. Look at that. He's lovely and warm. You're lovely and warm, aren't you? Do they go to sleep in your hand, I wonder again? Alright, alright.
Which one's chirping?
The little one. Ducky. Mac.
He's noisy, isn't he? Or she. Yeah.
And you can tell by the wing feathers. Little toes. Oh, just about stopped raining. Look a bit wet, Holly. Or less. Oh, you look like a little bit of a drowned rat, don't you? You're not used to it, are you? Yeah? And you? Ginger? Yeah? That's washed all your powder off. Ah, that didn't protect the food very well, did it? Mind you, probably like it a bit soggy. You do. Ooh, thunder. Oh, quite a bit of rain. At least it'll make the trees grow. Sunshine after the rain. Oh, just stopped. Ginger was just sunbathing. Did you, Ginger? Hi, sweet pea. You know what to do when the sun comes out, don't you? Well, you're drying your wings because you got wet. See if they put themselves to bed. I've had to put them to bed the last couple of nights. Uh-huh. Not there, are they, Holly? It's alright. Disturbing. There they are. And look at that. That is a hedgehog. What? Oh, don't give my girls fleas, mate. Okay, right, okay. What are we going to do about that? Right. Have to get him out, I think. Hello? What are you doing in there, Mr. Hedgehog? Come on, shoo. Right, managed to roll you out. Ah, you don't get caught in here, you know. I'll put you in the raspberries. Whee! You're a big chap, aren't you? Yes, you are. You got some diatomaceous earth on. Got to stop your fleas for a while, wouldn't it? Help you out. Wow, look at the size of you. You are huge, aren't you? You're all tucked up. Good. And don't go near the road. No night.